Famine, pollution, housing collapse, energy failure, drought, mass displacement. We've been tracking the symptoms, and for some reason, trying to sustain, treating each of these like they're someone else's problem. But now, they can no longer be ignored. What if they've always been symptoms of the same broken system? What if everything we needed was right here, and all that's left is to act? Not an idea, not a dream, a real solution, here now. One answer, and we have it. We're not waiting for change anymore. We're making it.